What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto Blitz, your home for your crypto fix. I'm your host, Ripple Van Winkle. Hopefully everyone's having an amazing day. It's Super Bowl Sunday. I actually got to make this video. I got to get the Publix, pick up the chicken tenders, the boneless popcorn chicken tenders, bring them home, maybe a little trip to the casino for a couple of hours, back to the house, take care of the dog, get the pizza, the french fries, and the wings ready, and sit down and enjoy the Super Bowl and watch the Eagles kick the living crap out of the Kansas City Chiefs. That's what I'm looking at. You let me know down below who you going for. I'm going for the Chiefs, or you going for the Eagles. But in this episode, we got a lot to talk about. We're talking about the price of XRP doing the 2x from here and how quickly that can come. I have the catalyst all lined up for you. I'm going to break it down because a lot of people are sleeping on one very particular thing when you shouldn't be sleeping on it. So without further ado, sit back, relax, let's jump into it. Bitcoin coming in at $96,281. It's shown a little life. It tried to make a little run last night. I don't know if anyone was paying attention to that, but it didn't go too high, didn't get too far. It's currently up 0.12% in the past 24 hours. Ethereum coming in at 2,631. It's currently up about 0.5%. USDT and USDC both coming in at their dollar pegs as XRP. Yeah, buddy, coming in at $2.41. In just a little bit, we're going to go over support and resistance and what we're looking at for XRP, so hang with me. Total cryptocurrency market cap hasn't really budged. $3.16 trillion. We're back down into the bottom of that range. Okay, not where we want to be, but you know what? I'd rather be sitting in $3 trillion range than sitting in the $2 trillion range. Where are we going to go from here? Well, I think we got a couple of weeks maybe of chop. That's what I'm seeing, unless there is a major turn of events and a major pop out here going to the upside. As we jump into the XRP chart, you can see we were close, man. On the 4 hour, we were close to getting, we did have, if we look on Saturday and Sunday, we did get the 2 candle closures. Let's try to get that third, and then we can see the 8 EMA jump to 21 EMA, which can flip the chart for XRP. If that does happen, we are looking at XRP to make a run. It currently has short-term resistance sitting around $2.50 and $2.55. We need to break through that. If that does happen, we have a major psychological level barrier sitting at $3. That's its historical resistance from 2021. And then as soon as we get past $3, $3.30 to $3.50 is the previous all-time high zone from 2017. So once that is broken, we could start to see rapid price acceleration. How are we going to get there? Don't you worry. And we're going to go over that in just a second. But let's talk about support. Where are we sitting at for support? You can see that Reaper line. The Reaper line is sitting at support for us. It's more like between 230 and 235. We do not want to get under that. If that does happen, we are going to retest the 2020 all-time high around $1.96. We don't want to see that. If that breaks, we have historical resistance turned into support now from our previous 2 cycles around $1.80, hence the wick to $1.77. If that gets broken, well, down she goes, folks. It's not going to be a good look. But what are we looking at for XRP from here? What could be the catalyst that can drive XRP to rapid price acceleration? And I do believe we will see rapid price acceleration on XRP once we break out of this $3 region. $4 is the safe bet to say, because you know the all-time high in XRP, people have these numbers all over the place. So I like to just say, you know what, $4 we enter price discovery. So what would be the key catalyst? It's very simple here. And we did a little TikTok on this yesterday. We talk about XRP depository receipts. These are soon going to be available. Fun fact, no other cryptocurrencies have depository receipts except for XRP. Interesting, right? There are similar products out there that act like this, but no one actually has the depository receipts. So when we take in the depository receipts, we take in XRP ETFs that are coming. What are we talking about here? institutional money, and it's going to open the floodgates for institutional money, similar to what we have seen into the Bitcoin ETFs. Bitcoin broke its all-time high before having, for the first time in over a decade, in 4 bull cycles, it broke its all-time high prior to halving because of the institutional money and because of the ETFs. We have 11, at least 11 that I found, ETFs that are coming for XRP. Plus, we have the depository receipts. This is going to open the floodgates for the institutional money to come in. Now, when we compare Bitcoin ETFs in the amount of money that inflowed to what we can see for XRP, we can talk about an easy 2x in the price. So Bitcoin saw spot ETF inflows over 10 billion within the first month. With its banking and payments focus on XRP, we could attract, I would assume, a lot higher than 10 billion coming in, and especially with regulatory clarity coming to XRP officially when this lawsuit comes to an end. We will start targeting traditional markets. These depository receipts will allow foreign assets like XRP to be traded on major stock exchanges, the NYSE, NASDAQ, etc. This means that pension funds, hedge funds, and retail investors who cannot buy crypto directly nor know how to buy crypto directly can now invest into XRP. And then when we throw in Ripple's global reach and we talk about Ripple's prior partnerships and new partnerships that will come about from this with banks, financial institutions, and governments, this is going to drive major liquidity into XRP's depository receipts. If central banks or payment networks tap into this, we're talking trillions in market potential long-term for XRP. Currently, XRP's total market cap, what are we sitting at, folks? 138 billion, give or take. If we see the same flow of money from institutions that came into Bitcoin, that 10 billion plus, if we see that same flow, plus the new liquidity coming from these depository receipts come into XRP, we could be looking at an instant. I mean, I'm talking you are going to see a green candle like you have never seen a green candle before pop up and come into XRP, and it's going to send this price up into $5, $7, $9 XRP range. And it's going to come super fast. Between the ETFs and the depository receipts, we like to call them the DRs on this channel, combined with Ripple's adoption plan, combined with everyone they already have integrated into RippleNet and that will be using the XRP ledger, sprinkle a little speculation on top that it's going to be into the USA's crypto reserve basket, we will be looking at a multi-trillion-dollar market cap for XRP over time. Multi-trillion will put us in an XRP anywhere from $20, $40, $60, $80 range. We're talking about a potential game changer right here. I don't even want to say potential. It is a game changer because these are going to go live. The ETFs are going to go live. XRP being traded on major stock exchanges is going to bring in a crazy amount of liquidity like you have never seen before. When you start talking about pension funds and hedge funds and retail who want to get into XRP, but they don't even know the first step about a cryptocurrency wallet or what Coinbase or Gemini is or how to set up a wallet or how to move money onto these exchanges to buy XRP, and we give them an easy route to access it, the price is going to fly. This is all coming this year. Everyone is worried about a $2.41 XRP when I'm sitting here and I'm saying we were 50 cents in November. We are up anywhere from 400 to 500x. And that is just the start of this cycle. Think about where we're going to be 6 months from now when we are seeing trillions of dollars, when we have the ETFs live, when we have the DRs live, and what the price of XRP is going to be when we got hedge funds, pension funds, and the retail investor who cannot get into XRP, all now coming into XRP. And to top it all off, there's going to be no tax on XRP for USA investors. Sky's the limit, folks. I hope you're ready. Make sure you hit the like, share this video with a friend. Everyone needs to have the knowledge that we just went through in this because this is a game changer. I'm going to leave it like that. Look, wash your damn hands. Be nice and be kind to each other. Ripple Van Winkle is out.